Hello everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.com. Today I'm going to be talking about space/storage issues. If you are joining this video from YouTube and from any other place, this is a course related video that I'm teaching online on jobskillshare.com. You guys can see some of the videos to find out how to get here. So I'm going to be making this video very quick for my members. So this is going to be under my tools, troubleshooting tools, and then the video will be here. Today I'm going to talk about users with space problem, or let me just give you some examples here. Let's say I'm a user and I just call help desk that my C drive is full, almost full, and I'm trying to save the documents, or you can get a call like, I'm getting a lot of errors saving documents, Word documents, Excel documents, and many other things. PDF are not opening. It kind of ring the bell that something is wrong with the space. That could be an issue, because once the space is full, it exceeds the limit. That will these are the kind of problems you will basically you will get a calls from people. Other issues could be you're doing a little bit security job on the servers. Like if you have a shared drive for all the users, let's say 200 users are using a one shared drive that is like 2 TB, 3 TB, or whatever, and it's running out of space. What you need to do is you have to run some kind of tool to find out quickly where is the space issue here, who's using all that space, and kind of do a little bit cleanup, or maybe email some users that remove some documents or zip them or whatever. And then you can also do you can also get a calls from your manager to, can you find out whose personal drives are, like, if you have a shared drive that has a personal drives, who's using it for work related purposes and who's using it for personal purposes, for, like, home stuff. So they put their kittens or dog pictures and stuff like that. So there you're gonna in videos and all that. So you got to do a little bit of security kind of jobs too. So these are the kind of calls. I can't, it's not like an everyday call, but I can guarantee you will definitely get calls like that you'll be dealing with some kind of space issue, kind of finding out where the problem is. So this was the talking part, so let's jump into the tool. The tool that I'm using today is this space sniffer. If you go to Google, I'm just gonna do it here so you guys can get it from the beginning. Space sniffer. Click on it and click on the first link, which is UDRZO, and then you go to download and download this right here, Space Sniffer 1.4.0. You might be watching this video and with the new version, so always go for the new one. And once you open that, it's a zip file. I already did that, so you can see it's a zip file. I mean, it's a portable tool. You can put it in your USB, put it on a shared drive or anything like that. So unzip it, extract all. I'm just going to do that, and once it's unzipped, it's going to show you that, see, this is the tool. So if you open it right now, let's say if you're working on if you're an admin and you have rights to all the shared drives, you can just put a path here and then find out what's going on with the server path. Let's say there's one G drive, group drive for everybody, and you want to find out that where is the big files, where can we move these files to somewhere other area that we can free up some space. So you would basically put that path in here and then all that stuff here, and then you run that start, and then it will start scanning that. Let's say this user call you guys for space with the C drive. Let's say on that computer they're having issue that they can't save all these files, and they're getting low space messages and all that, and you need to go in there and find out what's going on. There might be a software that is corrupted, and it's creating some cache files in your C drive, and it's every day is getting built up like 1 GB of files, or there's some other issue with it, or maybe somebody's using iTunes and putting videos and stuff like that, and you need to find out what's going on and where these files are, so that you can tell them to remove them, so then they can start working on their work stuff. So to do that, all you got to do is just click on C drive and then start, and what's going to happen is instantly it will start looking for big files on your computer. So for example, on my desktop there's 23.6 GB files, which is kind of big for a desktop, and people would be like, oh, oh, you can see how quickly you looked into it. Oh, desktop is the first place that I need to look. Then I'm going to look into documents, and then I'm going to look into other ones and see if I can find out more. So if you want to find out what these files are, all you got to do is just click on open here. So it says backup has 22 GB in there, so all you got, and my download is 21 GB, so it's basically going to my download and all that stuff. So if you go in there, all you gotta do is, like, right click on it, and it will open the folder and wherever it is. So if this user was having issue, let's say if this was like a big file and then you want to like remove it or something, all you gotta do is just right click on it and go to that folder directly and then remove that file. Or if it was an important file, it was something that they work on daily, you just have to kind of like copy it and move it to some other place, or maybe another external storage for them, so they can have it, but they're not going to have any issues after that, because once you remove it, it's going to go to a normal state again. So this is the tool that I use for troubleshooting things like that. If I have a space issue on anything, I just run this and kind of find out, oh, okay, this is where the problem is, I need to just fix it. So that was a quick video about space storage issues, how to find things. So I'm gonna be making another quick tool video. Thank you for watching, and see you a different one.